Animals and their baby's name. This is goat. Goat's young one's called kid. This is lion. Lion's young one's called cub. This is pig. Pig's young one's called piglet. This is deer. Deer's young one's called fawn. This is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus' young one's called calf. This is chicken. Chicken's young one's called chick. This is kangaroo. Kangaroo's young one's called Joey. This is cow. Cow's young one's called calf. This is zebra. Zebra's young one's called foal. This is duck. Duck's young one's called duckling. This is elephant. Elephant's young one's called calf. This is cat. Cat's young one's called kitten. This is wolf. Wolf's young one's called pup. This is dog. Dog's young one's called pup. This is horse. Horse young one's called foal. This is bear. Bear's young one's called cub. This is butterfly. Butterfly young one's called caterpillar. This is frog. Frog young one's called tadpole.